What you doing?
Hey everybody, my name is Julie. I'm doing a quick Sam's haul. And it's real quick. We had to go get some meats and stuff, and I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we're going to use, whatever. Okay, I bought the Mission tortillas, and I buy them in the big pack because I split them up to 10 per pack. I got the Cherub's tomato grape Parmesan cheese, protein drinks. I'm going to try these protein drinks and see. I got the big tortillas. That's what I do also. I split them up into 10. I got butter. I got a block of cheese. Now, I always go and get the markdown price. And we got, what is this called?
What, skirt steak?
This right here? This isn't skirt steak. This is bottom round.
Bottom round.
And bottom round. And then we got a package of skirt steak. Normally 20 and normally 16. So I got a little bit. I got a rotisserie chicken that I use in the freezer. I put it in the freezer. Then when I need it, I pull it out. I got mini peppers, onions. I got a log of, it's $49.20. Meat right now here is $15, $14. It was cheaper to do it this way because I can cut it up into 10. Then we got some croissants for dinner. Robert got some new jeans, some new shirts. I got some missing. Okay, so that's for this haul. I'm going to be back. We're going to go to Walmart, and I'll be back with the haul then. And then I'm going to split up all this meat and put it where it needs to go. See you in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. We went to Walmart, and I'm fixing to show you our haul for this. It was, what, $138. But I had to get some snack stuff, some stuff for me to eat because I haven't really been eating really healthy. 3 pounds of robin eggs, just didn't get it. Anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we got. Okay, I got some Southern style hash browns. I'm going to make a soup with that tomorrow. I'm going to show you how I do this. Cheese ravioli for a dinner. Black Forest ham for roll-ups. For ham roll-ups. I get this string cheese. I like this string cheese the best. I got some Colby Jack cheese. Angel hair pasta. Some cream cheese because I'll put the cream cheese with salsa. This is for a dinner that I'm going to make. I got some chicharrones. Barbecue flavor. I got some Reese's peanut butter cups. Some cookies. Some cupcakes. Some lime, potato chips. Donuts. Okay, now we got red potatoes, celery, tomatoes, zucchini, green onions, jalapenos, and mushrooms. I think that's it, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to finish up the haul. Bananas, Napa cabbage, 2 Granny Smith apples, asparagus. What is this? Jasmine rice, tuna, noodles, and milk. Okay, so what I'm going to do is everything will be down in the description of what I bought and what my meal plan will be. I might write it out. I don't know. So that is it for our haul. I had to do it in 2 parts because we went to Sam's and then we went to Walmart, and now I get to put all this stuff up, find a place for it. It's been a while since we've done a grocery haul. Anyway, so y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye.